You like, ooh, in my Jimmy Choo's. 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 You like, in my Jimmy.
Hello, beautiful. So in today's video, I decided to be a bit risky and do my lashes online or on camera. Yeah, so let's get into it. Just going to go through the instructions there and just do a step-by-step. This is step 1. There I'm just measuring the lashes and measuring the fake lashes with my lashes and seeing where I need to cut them. As you can see, I do not have a scissor, so I went ahead and I used a nail clipper. Secondly, you will need a glue. I decided to go with waterproof because I didn't want to mess it up the first time with the black one. So you just put a thin layer onto your lashes and then just wait for it to dry for 30 seconds. And you have to try to hold it in the shape of a horse. Is it a horseshoe? I think it's a horseshoe. And let it dry for 30 seconds before you put it on. Thirdly, you are going to press down the false lash to your original lashes, the base of your natural lashes, by using the 2 ends of your lashes and then sticking them to the middle until everything is stuck. Do not be rough like me. I was really rough on my eye and it still hurts even now. Yes, so far so good. And then now I'm just going to do the other lash, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did on the first side. The instructions here say that you shouldn't put on mascara or your eyeshadow or your eyeliner after the whole process, but you should do it before so that everything is neat and that nothing, no product is left to ruin your lashes. So there I'm just repeating the whole, putting on a thin layer of glue onto the lash and just folding it. This is to just help with the shape, the exact shape that you want. Holding it, waiting for 30 seconds, and there we go. Placing it onto the base of my natural lash and pressing it down until it is completely dry and I'm satisfied. Well, this lash was a bit stubborn, as you can see. I fought a little bit with it. Fought, pressed it down, got annoyed, but in the end it worked out perfectly fine, and I turned out to actually like the one that I fought with more. And then now I'm just going in with my mascara onto my lower lashes, and voila. So this was my first attempt and I'm very happy with this attempt. And yeah, do like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe, and keep the love, keep the kindness, and see you in my next video. Bye.
No, I get like shoes, talking Jimmy Choo's. I drop out school, told them fuck you. I set out rules, they was old news. You never knew me like you did. Ooh, talk about who did you get? Ay, 17 years in the circle, I'm like, ooh, you cannot fuck with the kid. Ay, I need no homes in my life, I don't need them. I eat them like Turkish delight and it's raw. Boyfriend killing me, I need me a visa. I fly the Congo to show how to ball. Show what I dump, clip on my blunt. Show you I don't know the me. Block on my lung, smoke out my tongue. Cancer not bigger than me. Ace of Laurent, that shit I want. Suck on my pension and fees. Jimmy my juice, win it or lose. I got JC on my feet. You like, ooh, and my Jimmy choose. You like, ooh, and my Jimmy choose. You like, ooh, and my Jimmy choose. You like, ooh, and my Jimmy choose.
Carry bags to an LV bag, young and king and boy, stay comfy. I give him hell when I story tell. I'm the B.I.G. hash, no puffy. Took a gamble like a Frank on the beat, kept it all hidden from the public. Tell them all we don't shop at the mall, but you see us glammed out in public.
Got my neck on that French Oak shit, about to go ape shit at the club function. Boy, we get zeros now at the end of an even.